Hey guys, today I have with me the OPPO A55. The smartphone offers a 6.51-inch IPS LCD display having a pixel density of 270 ppi and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. OPPO A55 has a bezel-less punch hole display. On the right spine, you'll find the power button works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a volume rocker and SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. OPPO A55 comes with a 50 megapixel triple camera setup with OPPO branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. OPPO A55 comes with a MediaTek Helio G35 chipset with 12nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 4GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 256GB. OPPO A55 offers a 5000 mAh battery powered by an 18-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 50 megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 50 megapixel primary camera supported by a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel mono camera. Also, the phone offers a 16 megapixel front camera. The software version of the OPPO A55 is Android 11 with Color OS. So guys, that's it for OPPO A55. Thank you so much for watching this.